a package from, I think it's called MC Arts. MC Art Supplies. One of you guys told me about this. This is a smaller art supply company, and they do mystery boxes. So they have, I don't know, I think maybe 4 or 5 different boxes you can pick. So I chose 3 that I thought would be good. One of them I got was called Sketchy, which I think is like pencils and stuff like that. One was Inkling, which is ink, I'm guessing, some kind of pen. And Splash is watercolor. So the other one was like, I think there was one that was calligraphy, and there was one that was like mural type of street art sort of thing. But I thought I would try it out. So the Sketchy box was $20. The Inkling box was about $25.50, and the Splash box, which was the watercolor, was $28. And then it cost $12.67 to ship everything. So, but that's for 3. Let's open this up. Here's a sticker. MC Art Supplies. There's so much stuff on the floor now. Okay. This one is the watercolor. Oh, it has the price right on there. Okay. Well, let's start with this one. This is Sketchy Surprise. Okay. Let's see. This is a lot more than I thought they would be, so that's good, I guess. So let's take this out. These are fun little things. Cute little box. There's some paper. There's some paper. Boxes are pretty. Alright, so this is the Sketchy. So this was $20 for all this. So I think that's a pretty good deal, actually, for all this stuff. Okay. Got a sticker. Kitty! Oh, I love that! That's so cute. It's in Texas? What is it? Oh, I love that. Oh. Now I'm sad because of the floods in Texas. Oh, see, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, Murphy's playing with the paper, so ignore that. Alright, so let's see. So this is white soft pastel sticks. I got a set of 3. You're not going to be able to see it because it's on white paper, so I don't know if I have any color. They're wicked light. Wicked. That's a Boston thing. Well, you know what it looks like, right? Do I have anything that's... Maybe I can color something like here. Let that dry. In the meantime, so this is a Faber-Castell Pitt Graphite Matte. Oh, that's kind of neat. So it's a matte finish. So that's the paper. Murphy's having a good time for himself. Carbon Sketch. Ooh, it's like charcoal, kind of. Well, not kinda, it is. Really super dark. And this one is, this looks the same, actually. Can't read it. General Pencil, Kimberly. There's not a paper that tells you everything, so. Oh, it's, it feels like I don't know. It's not smudging like charcoal. It's a really dark pencil. It's super black. And you got a pencil sharpener that, I don't know if it fits the big one, but it fits the smaller ones probably, the generals. The charcoal one. So this is the white one, the pastel, kind of soft pastel. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff, so okay. This is a graphite stick, compressed graphite stick. Okay. Interesting. And an eraser. And these, I was just looking at these. I think it was on the Palettefull Packs website, maybe. And it had the Rembrandt pastels, so I was curious about them. And here they are. Okay, they're like a chalk. Okay. Well, that's kind of nice. They feel really nice because they're rounded, they're cylindrical. So there's different color yellows, I guess. There's green, and there's a yellow, and another yellow, and another yellow, and white. Another white. This one's a bit more white. So those are nice. And a automatic pencil. Automatic pencil, that's what I call them, a mechanical pencil. I'm not going to open it. It's going to be a pain in the butt to open. But, nice pencil with metal grip. And then, three colored pen. Oh, these are pretty. These are nice, too. These are the Holbeins, so. Oh, Murphy. He's made an appearance. What's going on, Murph? He's just jammed himself in the corner between, well, now he's out, between the bookshelf thing and the couch. So there's a little triangle space. He was just jammed in there, screaming, "Pay attention to me, Mom." So that's nice, actually. So I think that was a good deal for 20 bucks. So, okay. And I love the little sticker so much. That is adorable. All right. Oh. Okay. Well, that was the first one. That was better than I thought. So now I'm not so nervous about these. So this one is the Inkling. So this is ink stuff, and it's $25.49. This one's kind of heavy, so there might be like a bottle of ink or something. Ooh! Wow, okay. Another sticker. Now, let me take it all out. There's a lot of stuff in here. Wow, okay. I was like nervous about this, but there's a lot of stuff in here. So these are pretty good, actually. You got a cute little, how cute! It's a little Talons Art Creation Sketchbook. It's a little. I've been wanting one of these, actually, so that's kind of cool. And Stabilo 0.88. I think these are the small points, because the ones I have, I think, are the 68. Yeah, this is a fine. But these are fairly expensive, I think. Yeah, these are the super fine nibs. 3 greens. That green's not bad. 2 oranges. Well, that's good. Like a neon orange, and then like a regular orange. Purple. And that's gray. Well, actually, this looks blue now. I think it's, does it say? It looks blue. The cap looks a little purplish, but. So there's a bunch of those. Wow, okay. With some washi tape. Pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and we got another mechanical pencil. Very nice. Got Finito. Extra fine porous point pen. Okay. I kind of wish that there was a description inside, but I guess they're just taking stuff off the shelf, so they probably don't have like a little card of everything that they're putting in. So that's nice. This is the sign pen, is it? Well, it doesn't say, but I think it's the Pentel sign pen. And I have these. I like these. Pit pen. And a midliner. Okay. Ooh. I don't think I've seen one with a brush tip. That's kind of cool. Double-ended. Ah, okay. Ah, pretty. All right, and Le Pen. Little tiny purple pen. Got some tiny points today. This is another, oh, this is like a different tips. That's a chisel, and then like another one like that. Pretty colors. Is this green? Oh, it's green. Okay. It doesn't work very well. Gel, it's a gel pen. Maybe it's just this paper, but this is some of the paper from the box. Oh, it works better on this paper, so it's not bad. It's just this paper is really dry, so. Okay. And another Pitt pen. Oh, this is one of the brush tip ones. I love these. And, oh, cute. It's a pencil, but it's a ruler. It's like a carpenter's pencil, kind of. Kind of. It's weird. It's rectangular, but the lead is round. And it's got a little... I like that though, because it's got inches and centimeters, so that's kind of neat. Different. And these are, oh, I don't know, different sizes. So 08, 06, 05, 04, 03. Heavy. Hybrid Technica. Super thin. It's just the same thing, but it's just bigger sizes. These are nice. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. I did not expect all this stuff, so very nice. Okay, and the little sketchbook. Well, we'll open it because cute. I don't normally work small, but I think if you open it up, the pages are at least tolerable. And it's something you can take with you. Yeah. Okay, that's cute. Does it have a little pocket? No pocket. Sometimes they do. All right, so that was the Inkling. That was that one. That was the middle price one. And this is the most expensive. This is the watercolor. So that was 28. All right, I have one of these. These are good. They're to open tubes paint, different sizes. And just and turn it if it's stuck. Those are good. I'll probably put that in the Advent because I have one. A bookmark. I got these before with somebody else. The Hahnemühle, I think it was some kind of sketch box, probably because of the size. Some watercolor paper, 100% cotton, and you can make bookmarks with it. This is not my favorite paper, so that's going in the box. Oh, a core sticker. MC Art Supplies stickers. So this place is good. If you want to try like a surprise box, they're pretty good. I've seen, actually this is a nice brush. Da Vinci. Oh, it's got kind of a rectangular, not rectangular, a triangular barrel. Seems nice, nice soft. It's a number 6 round. Casaneo. Is this? Oh, this is a, this one's different. This is from the other one. This is a Sketch and Wash. And I think it's water soluble. Let's try it. I think I had one of these a long time ago. Where's the paper? All right, we'll do it on the back of this. It's like a graphite pencil, but water soluble. Those are cool. There's that. Okay. And the brush. Point liner, water and fade resistant. So a little tiny So I suppose it's, oh God, it's so tiny. Can use that on top of watercolor, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is a good box. Okay, you got 3 watercolors. Oh, let me do this first. This is aqua marker. That's really soft. It's a big fat brush tip and a little tiny bullet. And this is also water soluble, I guess. Yes. Those are nice. Goldfaber Aqua. Okay. And then we got Core watercolor, Nickel Azo Yellow. I have one of those. The M. Graham Phthalo Blue. And Grumbacher, looks like Phthalo Green. Oh, Viridian. Okay, well, we'll do a little swatch anyway. There's that. I don't think I have any of those, or if I did, I don't have them anymore. I do like M. Graham. I don't have too many. I have a couple of the quinacridone colors. And then I do have this one. I like Core. And this is a pretty color. Oh, it feels really... Okay, it's coming out. Oh no, it's coming out more. All right, that's enough. That's enough. I find that Daniel Smith does that. You open it and it just keeps coming out. All right, let's see. No, I don't really like that. Maybe once it's dried up, you know, dried in a pan, it'll be okay. Yeah, M. Graham is nice, and the Core is nice. I've used both of those, but the Grumbacher I don't know about. They make a nice green. A nice green. But there's the other one. So these are all nice. I think these were a good deal. This was 20, how much? So 28. That was the most expensive. 28, and you get all this stuff. So I think that's a good deal. And you did have to, you do pay shipping, but I don't think it was an excessive amount of shipping. So yeah, I think these were pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna make anything from these. I just wanted to check them out, and I'll keep some of the stuff, and I'll put some of the stuff in the Advent boxes, and just thought I'd share a smaller art supply place. Show what they have to offer. If you didn't know about it, I didn't know about it. So thanks for recommending that. And yeah, so that's it. I got a bunch of new fun stuff I can play with. So anyway, that's it for this week. I just thought I would open those, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.